day so far?
Oh, it's awesome. And this is going to be the highlight of it.
Where are you from, David?
New Jersey.
All right, cool. So were you at the one down at New Jersey Motorsports Park last year?
We were, yep.
All right, cool. That was a pretty fun place too, huh?
Yeah, very.
Yeah. This place is awesome. We're kind of similar to Jersey. They got everything with the road courses and the off-road courses all on one campus.
That was awesome.
It's a fun little section back there.
Yeah.
Of